A lot of you guys have been asking me for a good Windows 11 laptop deal for students, for working professionals, and you know what? I think I found the craziest laptop deal for you guys. This laptop comes with Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, 16GB of DDR5 RAM, and a beautiful 2.8K 120Hz OLED display, and that too in a thin and light form factor. Plus, with Windows 11, you are getting built-in Copilot AI for assignments, smarter multitasking, and Microsoft Office also comes pre-installed. And the laptop that I'm talking about is the MotoBook 60 Pro. It launched at a price tag of 64,990, but during the Flipkart Sasa Lele sale, you can get it for as low as 53,990. This includes a discounted cost of 60,990 and the SBI card offer. And there's also no cost EMI of just 5,972 rupees per month for 9 months using an SBI card, which is nice. For the price, you get a premium all-metal design. It's super lightweight at around 1.4 kgs, it's easy to carry and has a great port selection. So yeah, no need to carry extra accessories as well. There are 2 color options to choose from, and honestly, both of them look very trendy. The display is obviously the big USP because it's a stunning OLED panel that refreshes at 120Hz. It's a 14-inch screen with good color accuracy, and the brightness is also surprisingly good at 1000 nits. Performance-wise, it easily handles multiple tabs of browsing, multitasking, and even light editing without slowing you down. It also comes with Windows Hello Face Unlock, which adds a lot to the convenience. Not all laptops get this, especially at this price, but this one does. Once you set it up, you can unlock your laptop by just looking at it, and it works super smoothly. Multitasking on this laptop is quite good too. In fact, with the Snap Layouts feature on the Windows 11, you can use different layout suggestions as per your workflow, and if you're using a bigger or a mega ultra-wide monitor like this, you can go as creative as you want. And it's also very practical because students can quickly switch between lectures to notes to movies to games. You get the idea. And since all of us want our phones to connect smoothly with our Windows PC, the Phone Link app makes it super easy. In fact, this app has improved a lot in the last few years. You can easily access your photos, take calls, get notifications, or even share files. The best thing is that it works with both Android as well as iPhones. I think Microsoft did a good job with this app. And yeah, you can also use the built-in Clipchamp to edit your videos. And since it has the Intel Core Ultra 5 225H processor with 14 cores, and there's an Intel Arc 130T GPU as well, it won't struggle much for basic editing. And just so you know, it's paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 512GB of PCIe Gen 4 SSD. There are also some very useful AI features in Paint to erase and remove the background, which I think is very handy because not everyone knows how to use Photoshop. And with Windows Defender built in, you won't need any third-party antivirus as well. And since Windows now uses secure boot and TPM measures, your laptop won't be affected by malware easily. By the way, you can now adjust volume on per app basis so you won't get caught. I mean, if you watch a lot of videos. One more thing you'll notice is that the boot times will be instant. I think that alone is a big improvement from old laptops, trust me. And last but not least, Copilot is also present here. It's built directly into the OS, and you can trigger it just by voice commands or the included Copilot key. You can quickly ask for any help you need with school or college assignments, and with the Copilot Vision, you can clarify all your serious doubts by just sharing your screen. Nice. The keyboard is nice to type on, and there's backlit support too. But yeah, the trackpad is okayish. And finally, if you're wondering about the battery, this laptop comes with a 60-watt battery, and for charging, you get a 65-watt Type-C charger in the box, which you can use for your other devices too. Overall, this laptop offers solid value for money and makes a lot of sense, especially in 2026. In fact, we already have 3 of these in our office, and we have been using them for quite some time, and never even once we encountered any problem at all. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you found this quick video about this Windows laptop deal useful. If you did, please press that like button. It really means a lot. And if you guys have any questions about this laptop, feel free to ask us in the comment and we'll answer them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.